Welcome to this video where we explore the timeless charm of English country-style living room designs. If you're dreaming of creating a cozy, elegant, and classic living space, this style could be exactly what you're looking for. The English country aesthetic draws inspiration from the countryside, blending warmth and sophistication with comfort and practicality. In this video, we'll walk you through the key elements, colors, furniture, and decor ideas that define this beautiful style. English country-style living rooms are often inspired by the natural world. Think of soft, neutral tones that create a sense of tranquility and calm. These tones include shades like cream, soft beige, muted greens, and pale blues. The idea is to bring the outside in, allowing your living room to feel like an extension of nature. Walls are typically painted in neutral shades or with subtle floral patterns that reflect the countryside's beauty. Pair these colors with wooden accents to add warmth and texture to the space. One of the hallmarks of English country living room design is comfortable and inviting furniture. Overstuffed sofas and armchairs are a must-have, often upholstered in natural fabrics like cotton, linen, or even wool. Patterns such as florals, plaids, or stripes are commonly seen, bringing a sense of tradition and coziness to the room. Choose furniture pieces that look lived in and welcoming. The idea is to create a space that feels like home, where you can relax with a book or enjoy a cup of tea. Wood plays a significant role in English country-style living rooms. Look for sturdy wooden coffee tables, sideboards, and cabinets made from oak, pine, or mahogany. These materials bring a rustic and authentic feel to the room. Weathered and aged furniture pieces add character and history, making your living room feel as though it has been passed down through generations. You can also incorporate wooden beams in the ceiling if your home structure allows it, giving the room even more of a countryside charm. No English country living room would be complete without a cozy fireplace. Whether it's a traditional wood-burning fireplace or a more modern gas version, the fireplace serves as the heart of the living room. Surround the fireplace with a beautifully crafted mantel, often made of wood or stone, to give it a traditional look. Decorating the mantel with family heirlooms, candles, and seasonal flowers can make the space feel more personal and welcoming. A fireplace not only provides warmth but also creates a focal point that brings the whole room together. When it comes to decorating your English country living room, focus on timeless pieces that evoke a sense of nostalgia and charm. Vintage-inspired accessories like framed paintings, floral prints, and antique clocks can enhance the traditional feel of the room. Don't shy away from using elegant lamps with fabric shades, lace curtains, and embroidered cushions to add soft layers of texture and interest. Mirrors with ornate frames can help reflect light and make the room feel larger, while a few well-placed books or ceramics can add a personal touch. To truly capture the English country style, don't forget to bring